You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a name mainly used in French-speaking countries, including African French-speaking countries. It's not very common. In English, yes, in English, like you would remove the E at the end and say Baptist, right? Baptist as in the Baptist church. But that's a name, and in French the P is silent. Baptiste is how it's said. In French, in France, Baptiste. So, in English, Baptiste, not Baptiste, Baptiste. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.